Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your browser is updated and you're signed into your Google account because Grammarly integrates at the browser level. Once done, open the Chrome Web Store or Edge add-ons and search for the Grammarly extension. This is the quickest route. Install by clicking Add to Chrome or Add to Edge and accept the permissions prompt. The extension needs access to pages to run. After installation, make sure the Grammarly icon appears in your toolbar so it can inject editing tools into Google Docs. Next, open a Google Docs document and click the newly installed Grammarly icon. You'll sign in or connect your Grammarly account here, which links suggestions to your profile. Then, enable Grammarly specifically for Docs. Google.com when the extension asks for site access. This permission is required for inline suggestions. Once enabled, reload the document and watch for the Grammarly button or sidebar to appear. You'll get real-time underlines and a sidebar with explanations, so you can accept corrections and to finish, go through suggestions and accept or dismiss them. Use the sidebar to understand why Grammarly recommends changes so you improve over time. If the Grammarly tools don't appear, make sure no other writing or privacy extensions are blocking it and then reload the document because extension conflicts are a common cause. If problems persist, clear your browser cache, update or reinstall the extension, and confirm site permissions for Docs. Google.com, this typically restores functionality quickly and keeps suggestions accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.